Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your card on www.card-support.com. Step-by-step guide, step-by-step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.card-support.com. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. You will be directed to the Card Support homepage. Look for the option to activate your card. Click on the Activate Card link. You will be taken to the activation page. Enter your card number in the designated field. Make sure to check that the number is entered correctly. Next, provide any required personal information such as your name and address. If prompted, enter the security code from the back of your card. Read the terms and conditions carefully. If you agree, check the box to accept them. Click on the Submit or Activate button. Wait for a confirmation message. You should see a notification that your card has been successfully activated. If there are any issues, follow the on-screen instructions for assistance. If needed, you can contact customer support for further help. Close the browser once you have completed the activation process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.